Hello, awesome coders! Now we're going to start a second topic under the HTML beginner course. Okay, remember just a quick recap that we discussed about that the internet or all the web pages, there are just tons of files and that they connected to each other. From one file you can jump to the other file, like those HTML pages, and they are within loads of directories over the internet. Looks like exactly what you have in your computers, but actually on cloud. Okay, so we play a little bit with the inspector. Remember, I put my name in Roblox website, and I don't know what you've done with the practicing part. I hope you enjoyed. And now we're going to try to create a simple web page in our computer rather than KStudio or online or web or whatever. So we're just going to do something little here to show you that actually these web pages are just simple text file and nothing more than that. Okay, and then you can load it in your browser on your own computer. So to do that, to do this little practice for now, I'm going to use my own computers. As you can see that this is my computers. Okay, this is my Mac, and then I'm going to create a text file because, as I said, HTML is a text file, and within that text file I'm trying to create some simple HTML, and then we're going to see it on browser. So let's start to do this. Okay, so first step is to create a simple text file. How you're going to do that is a little bit relevant that you are using a Windows machine or a Mac machine, or I should say a Linux. There are different ways to do that. I want to pick up first the easy way, but later when we go through the course, along the course, you're going to get familiar with more different approaches. Okay, so the very first one, easy one, if you're in the Windows, you can just go to the start menu and then open up and fire up Notepad and then write your file. If you're in the Mac, you can just open the text edit, which is available here, and then you click on a new document, and then here you can write your own file. If you see, my Mac is a little bit dark because I changed the theme to the dark theme, which I like it, you know. So now we have this text file and we're going to create our first simple web page. So let's do it. Okay, to make it more clear, I zoom into my file, okay, and then I'll just bring myself here if you want to see me. I think it's better to not see me. Okay, so here, what I'm gonna do is this, just a very simple one, you know, later we're gonna do more stuff with this. Hello, this is Uncle Code. So you can change put your own name, whatever you like, okay, whatever you like. So then whatever you want to do that, just change it. So what I have to do now, I have to zoom out and I have to save the file. So when I want to save, ask me for a name. So you can choose anything. For example, I want to say my first page, and it's very important. Very important, depends on are you working in Windows or actually Mac, doesn't matter which one. Every file has an extension. Extension shows what is the type of the file. So how we show that, we put a dot at the end and then we use typically 3 letters. But now it's not only 3 letters, it can be 2 letters, 1 letters, or more than that. For example, txt means this file is text, but we don't want to create a text file. We want to create a HTML page. So we write HTML. This HTML is very important. Do not forget to write .html, that turn the file to be HTML. This helps computer to know that how to process the file, and this means the file is HTML, so it should be open in the browser. Of course, you can make it fun. You can make it PNG or it looks like a kind of image, but of course, when you double click, then you will get a kind of error message. So let me save it here, and then it's asking me where I like to save it. Let me choose the place I like to save is my desktop. Okay, so then I save it, and then, you know, it's telling me that, are you sure you want to save it with the HTML, you know, I want to say yes, use the HTML. So when I do this, then you see that I have a new file here, my first page. So now I'm going to double click on the file, and when you do that, yes, voila, the page is here. Now look at it, just zoom in, and then what does it say is, hello, this is Uncle Code. This is just a simple HTML file that exists in my own computers, and I double click and I saw it on the browser. I know it's a very boring one, it's just a hello, this is Uncle Code, but you will see later how we'll style it. But we don't want to continue all in the computers, we go to KStudio, but it's important for me that you guys feel that this is just a text file. Look at here, it says that this file, which is let me remove this stuff because you will see better. Okay, so now look at here, it says that my first page.html, which is in my desktop in my computer's Uncle Code, and that's the file I'm trying to load it. You see, it doesn't have https or http or www dot. It's just happening within my computer. Okay, so what I want you guys to do now is take this practice. Okay, okay, now this was our second topic. So what I want you guys to do, that the practice is this, that you go through the practices and then try to create a file like this for yourself, and then you can write whatever you want it, but as you can see, it's just a text file. Now this was just a simple text file, so I want to just do some changes in it. So let me back to my text editor, which is here. Where is the text editor? So now I want to do something better. So now what I'm going to do, that I will wrap this into something like h1. You will learn the h1 tag later, and many more tags actually, but I just want to make sure that you understood that this is happening in my computer. So what I'm going to do, that I will change and I save the file, and then when I back here and I refresh my page, you see what's happened? It's changed. Okay, so is it clear? I'm working my text editor, I do some change and something happening here. You see the h1 make the text looks bigger, but let me back again and make sure that you guys got it. Okay, so let's try it again. Uncle Code, something like that. I save it. If I don't save, of course it's not gonna be there. And I refresh the page, you see that the change is there. So it's really fun because it's just somehow rendering my text file based on some rules and then show something fun here in my text editor. I want to do one more things before we go for the next topic. Okay, I want to do one more things to improve our skill here. What if we want to add a kind of image? You know what, later we're gonna learn about coloring, adding image, videos, a lot. I don't want to focus on them now. I just want to do one more task here to give you this feeling of that web page is nothing, just a simple text file that even can be at your own computer. Okay, so what we're going to do, that I want to go and add the Kidoko logo before this hello, this is Uncle Code. You can use the Kidoko logo, you can use any other image that you like to have it. Okay, so let me go to a page of the Kidoko. Okay, and you can see that the Kidoko logo is here. So what I'm going to do, that right click, open image in new tab. This forces the browser to open this image in another tab. Then I will go and I get the link, the address of that image. You can also click on the copy link address, but in our website, it's better you go to do this. So I click on open image in new tab. Then when I go to that tab, then I see, wow, the Kidoko logo is here. And here you can see the address of the Kidoko. So what I'm going to do, that I will copy this. I will select this link. Okay, I get it. You can do it with other website, Roblox, or any other available online image. Later, you will see that how you can even upload your own images over the internet and then use them in your web page. So let me go to here and I open the text editor. So what I'm going to do, that is, okay. So what I'm going to do is I have to write something before my hello, this is Uncle Code. So I'm going to write the image source. So later I talk about the image, so don't be worried what is the img and the source. If you're now, you can just put it there, and also even you can copy paste from the description of this task. But anyway, let me put it. So I put that very big link. Okay, so let me a little bit zoom out, and then for you guys. Okay, so then here I have to put a double quotation. So you see that img source this, and then this double quotation, and then this too. So that's all I need to do it. Okay, as I said, don't worry if you don't get exactly what is happening now. It's okay, later you will work on it. You will be actually master for all this stuff. So now let me save my code, and then I'm back to the browser and I refresh the page. Boom, the Kidoko logo is there, and that is amazing. That is really cool. So I want you guys to do this and then create the file, write your own text. Okay, I know you should be excited. I hope you're excited. and this is just the beginning of a journey. And then also you can choose an image like Roblox or Minecraft or anything else that you're interested over the internet, okay, and put it in your page, and you can even do more than what I did. Okay, that's exactly important. You shouldn't do exactly what I do here. You should do more than what I do here to be better than me and be the best coder in the world. So okay everyone, that was the second topic. I want you guys to go and practice. See you in the next topic. So I wish you a great coding experience and happy coding, and never ever forget that we are programmers.